Good afternoon on this first alert weather day, day 2 of that. We've got still some light snow out there this afternoon, and there's some wind as well, and that might be causing a little bit of drifting, some blowing snow, where we're still seeing some snow showers falling here this afternoon. Speaking of that wind, here's a look at our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam down at the North Dakota-South Dakota line. You can see those flags pretty much straight out here with that wind whipping them around here this afternoon. Now, I want to show you our snow depth map. We've been keeping an eye on this over the last week or two as we were watching the snow pack erode as we were so warm, but it is back, and now we're looking at a large area of 1 to 3 inches of snow indicated on the ground. That's in this kind of lighter blue, but not the lightest blue color, across a good portion of the valley. The area we just showed you down at the Dakota Magic Casino saw a little bit of snow, but still some exposed ground, and you can see down at the bottom of the map there areas where we don't have as much, and then places right along the international border where we're seeing a few more inches of snow there that never quite completely melted. But we did add more to the mix. Here's a look at more snow reports in the valley. A lot of places saw more than an inch of snow. Fargo, again, we got more than an inch of snow. And in places like Castleton, almost an inch and a half. Grand Forks, just over an inch. Portland, North Dakota, close to 2 inches of snow. Cormorant, 2.3. So not a lot, but just enough to create those issues on the roads. And checking out our road conditions map here, lots of light blue on the map, and what that means is patchy snow or ice. Could be a combination of the two, as well as yesterday, of course, we saw that rain transition to snow, and there was ice for a brief period in some places. And we will watch that improve a little bit now that we're winding down our snow showers, but that's not the case everywhere. We're still seeing that on our radar and satellite picture here. Lots of cloud cover. I have seen a few breaks in the clouds from time to time, but overall more mostly cloudy to overcast heading into the afternoon. Closer to the Mayville radar site, we are seeing that little pocket of snow that continues around Grand Forks, back through Crookston and southwestern parts of Polk County. So still getting some light snow showers there. A few flurries back over into the Red Lake area too. And that's where our visibility is down a bit. Crookston's at 4 miles. Grand Forks is at 6. Improved visibility out west. Nothing that's really concerning, but just seeing these numbers that are down a little bit helps to indicate where we're still getting some snow, bringing down that visibility. So Detroit Lakes back up to Baudette, seeing some reduced visibility in those areas. So a little snow still going on, especially in our eastern communities closer to that departing system. Cooler here too. We are in the upper teens right now for our temperatures. It's 24 in Fargo, 21 in Grand Forks. A little milder in Gwinner at 30 degrees, but everybody's much colder than we were yesterday and in many of our previous days here this month. And looking at our wind, this is a factor, one, because it may be causing some blowing and drifting snow in spots, but it also is bringing down that wind chill. And in some places, we've had wind chills in the single digits. So we've got to break out those parkas yet again here with some gusts still into the 20s and even some 30s. Alexandria gusting to 31 miles per hour right now. So today, some overcast to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will hold into the afternoon, maybe go up a couple more degrees, a few more degrees in spots, but overall not a lot of warming happening here today. Moving our way into the evening hours tonight, still a few pockets of snow in the east, but a lot of spots quieting down. If you have some Friday night plans, still going to be icy on some of our roads, and we'll have to watch out for some of those snowy spots, but overall things are quieting with just a little bit of a breeze out of the northwest. Eventually it eases up heading into Saturday morning. Let's talk about the weekend really quick here because there are a couple of chances for snow. Saturday morning starting off okay, and most of the day we should be fine, but notice what happens here. We've got a little weak wave moving through, and you see these little pockets, these little flecks of blue showing up, indicating a snow shower may be developing. Isolated, but still out there, and this is 11 o'clock Saturday night, so moving eastward from there. We see that move on. We get a little break for Sunday, and even a little bit of sunshine on Sunday before another system, another wave moves by, and this one clipping our northern viewing area. So if you're heading out to maybe a Super Bowl party, you might run into some of that snow. You might want to check the VNL weather app for the latest radar throughout the weekend. No big warm up in sight, but temperature's not too bad at all heading into next week. We're looking at upper 20s and low 30s.
Yeah, definitely not bad at all. I'm pretty excited about it. 35, 34.
Yeah, and you know, winter lovers, it's back. We brought back winter for you, but not with Arctic air. So, like, I think everybody's okay with this right now. Just be careful when you're driving here the next few days.
Exactly. Lisa, good advice. Thank you so much. Well, straight ahead at noon, companies are spending millions on Super Bowl ads, but is it actually worth it? We'll break it down next.